Yeah, that the speakers when I roll through. I don't hang around long. I've been about my business, I've been working to the moon. As in my religion, was you getting to the dough? On a mission, I've been 10 toes, I don't never fold. Ain't no competition, beefing up all, I'ma keep running up the digits. We need it all, from the spring to the winter, we don't take no intermissions. But in the hours and the seconds and the minutes, as long as the clock still tick, you can always count on me to talk that. It's been a minute since you heard somebody rock like this. And it's the shoes that make me walk like this. I ain't paid for it, I was made for it. That's for certain, I'm 50-50 on that skateboard.
need me some bigger curling irons, because like I'm about to split this in two. But a few videos back, I had reviewed like some hair that looked exactly like this, and I fell in love with that hair. When I had fell in love with a wig that was like this, I went and found Me, the manufacturer. So I am gonna be selling this wig, honey, okay? So I'm so excited because now I am gonna be having a hairline. I also have the shampoo and conditioners, if you don't already know, but I am gonna be selling in this unit that I am wearing right now because it's giving naturalness, and that is all about my hairline. I love natural hair. I want everybody's hair to grow and flourish, and this unit is just so freaking pretty and natural, and it's like everything. This is how I want my hair to look once my hair kind of reaches that growth. And so it's just a gorgeous unit, and I fell in love, honey. So yeah, so I do have my own manufacturer. I am going to be selling this unit. So this is going to be the first unit that I will be selling. It is what I'm wearing right now. So it's going to be a 22-inch 13x4. It's not it's going to be like the actual frontal, so you do have enough hair on the sides to do styles, and then you do get a good parting space. Like I said, it is going to be the natural hairline. So this right here is the Kinky hairline, and all I did was just cut off the lace. My lace has already been cut off because I've been wearing this unit, but the lace is already cut off. It's going to blend seamlessly into the hairline, and this is me just wearing a headband and going to sleep. That's why I have a different shirt on, and it gives like the hair just goes how it wants to go. So I don't have nothing on it. I think it's from when I was doing like the hairspray, because y'all saw me use like to be glued, and all I did was wrap the hair and tie it down. And so this is what the hairline looks like. So it looks so freaking natural. Like I said, I'm not gonna be putting on makeup and all that, just like some eyelashes and fix my eyebrows, because they do need to be plucked, because I've been trying to grow them out, but I think that's as far as they gonna grow. But yeah, so this is the unit, honey, that I will be selling. I'm only gonna have this length, which is 22 inches, because I am just now starting out. So I'm just adding some eyelashes, and then I'm gonna fix my eyebrows, and I'm gonna add some blush, just a little bit, and then probably some lip gloss. And since I'm starting out, I only have like a short amount. So if you do want to purchase this unit, go ahead and do so. I decided to go ahead and put it in a ponytail because the hairline is the star of the show, okay? Like, the hairline is so freaking gorgeous. I freaking fell in love with how this unit looks. It just looks so pretty, so natural, and it just makes you feel so beautiful. Like, I can't wait for my natural hair to get this length. But in the meantime, while we're taking care of our natural hair, look at this beauty. It's so freaking gorgeous. I love it. It looks so natural. So I just put on eyelashes, I did my eyebrows, lip gloss, and I have blush on. No foundation, and this is going to be HD lace, so it's going to melt into your skin, and it's going to look flawless. I do have my powder underneath it. So the powder is the Ruby Kisses. Where is it at? It's going to be this one right here. I have the Ruby Kisses level which one is this one? Level 12. So this is the powder I did use. And then I use this side on the right. I use this one on the right. And then of course y'all saw me use Got to Be Glued, and then I did use some of the Even. My Even is like out, so I need some more of the Even. I'm trying to see if I still like the Even because I'm not sure, because it gets really flaky. But I think I can't do it like the Got to Be Glued. Like the Got to Be Glued, I can spray it and then tie it down and it doesn't look bad. I think with this, if you mess with it, it gets flaky. So, but I do like the hold on it. But I did use that. If you do like lace glue, the melt be so freaking pretty. Just be aware that this is gonna have HD lace, so when you go to reapply it, you will kind of have like some fraying, just a little bit. Just take you some scissors and you can snip those right off and you won't have no problem. But be very careful, like I said, because this is going to be HD lace. I only have this unit right here, which is going to be 22 inches, and then it is going to be 180% density. So the unit that I am wearing is the unit that you will receive. The hairline, like I said, is going to come just like this. All I did was the Got to Be Glued kind of stuck some down, and then I took my comb and just brushed some of those out. On the sides, I do have a little bit of this edge gel, just holding those down. On this side, not so much, but really I just have that over here. The rest of the hairline, I let it do what it do, and then like right here when I brushed it back in the ponytail, I did use this edge gel. So I didn't really do nothing to the hairline at all. So all you're gonna be doing is cutting off the lace, and then you will have those curly edges. So when you brush those back, you can brush them back, or you can leave them out and let them do what they do. Like I said, I used to Got to Be Glued, tied this unit down, and this is what they are doing. They're just doing what they want to do. And then I did take my comb, and then I brushed some of them out, and then as you can see, I still have some that are down, because this right here is by my this is by my brow, but I think there's no lace right here. I don't think there's no lace. But yeah, I'm just letting the baby hairs do what they want to do, because it gives like a natural look. Like it looks so freaking pretty. So freaking pretty. I freaking love, and I can't wait for y'all to try this unit out and tell me what you think, because it's giving natural. Like hello. And then the hair quality is A1. I will not steer you wrong for the hair quality. Hair quality is gonna be bomb. So I did, like I said, just want to put this unit in a ponytail so you can get the gist of how your unit is gonna look. Like I said, for the bleaching, I was gonna just automatically bleach the knots, but I'm just gonna do that as an option, because some people like their knots bleached differently than others. I did bleach the knots on my unit, so this is what it looks like as well. When you get your unit, they are going to be single knotted, so you will, the knots are not as visible as the knotted. They are single knotted, so it's not gonna be that visible if you don't want your knots bleached, but I will have that option as well. The sale is gonna go on now while you're watching this video. The price is super low. This price is not gonna stay long like this. I'm gonna have this price until probably next Friday, so I think so. I'm gonna have the price the same till next Friday, or until I run out of units, because I really don't have a lot in stock. So if you want to get this unit for the price that you are seeing, because it's super low, then go ahead and get this unit now. Like I said, you are not going to be disappointed in the unit and in the quality, because we are giving natural. Like I said, it makes you feel so pretty. I have on no makeup. I just got on lashes, blush, lip gloss, and then I did my eyebrows, of course. So it is going to be a gorgeous unit. No ball cap is done on this unit as well. Like I said, it's for the girls that don't like baby hairs. You just want that natural, because it's giving natural. This is gonna be it for this video. I am like so excited to be bringing in a new business into 2023. So I am so freaking excited. Okay, so I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.